I bet you didn't know. Jesus' life was mapped out in stunning detail hundreds of years before he was born. And he fulfilled every prophecy perfectly. Long before Jesus ever walked the earth, the Old Testament read like a divine checklist. Prophecies about the coming Messiah, written centuries in advance. Born in Bethlehem, Micah 5:2. Descended from King David, Jeremiah 23:5. Betrayed for 30 pieces of silver, Zechariah 11:12. His hands and feet pierced, Psalm 22:16. Silent before his accusers, that's Isaiah 53:7. Buried in a rich man's tomb, Isaiah 53:9. The odds of one person fulfilling just 8 of these? 1 in 100 quadrillion. Jesus fulfilled over 300. Coincidence? No way. The evidence is overwhelming. He is who he said he was. So, next time you hear about prophecy, remember, it's not just ancient history. It's proof. And it points straight to Jesus.